What's up and good morning you guys. Today we're going to Ikea. Kung okay ba? Okay. Gitna ako? Okay, good ako. Go. Go na! Okay, so today we're going to Ikea and... Ma! Bakit okay? Ano? Nasa kanya? Okay, so you guys, today I'm going to Ikea, and if you're wondering why is there like a change of lighting, that's because we're in the parking area right now. And yeah, I'm taking you with me to go Ikea shopping or furniture shopping. I don't know, so I'll see you later. Okay, so Pa, what's your advice to everyone who hasn't been to IKEA? Like,
What's my advice?
No, but I mean, what's
What
your...
to expect?
What can you say?
What to expect? It's big. It's boxy. Meatballs are good, and be sure to bring lots of money. Yeah.
Yes, because it's very cheap and it's very affordable. So, yeah. Okay, so we made it to IKEA. Now we're going inside, and I will give you again a montage of what it looks like. Okay, so you guys, this is like the first time that there's like been a lot of people in
Try mo
IKEA.
yung crispy fish fillet.
Yung fish fillet.
Ikaw. Try mo yun.
Sige. And IKEA is
Ano yung parang,
packed right now. Like, I don't know why. I don't know what's the occasion, but
Fish and chips. Yeah.
that's it. Also, one of the reasons why it's packed because it's like
Saturday.
Christmas. Yeah, it's Saturday and Christmas is near. So I think they want to taste Christmas in IKEA. Okay, so now we just finished eating lunch, right?
Yes.
And now, where are we going to start searching?
We're just going to look around.
Okay,
Window shopping.
so
I don't know. We'll see.
you heard him.
So, what do you think about IKEA? What's your
Like-
impression?
My first impression when I came to Sweden,
Yeah. IKEA.
IKEA.
Yes.
When
not
I
Sweden,
first,
IKEA.
encountered.
First visited IKEA.
It
What was your impression, or what was your thoughts before coming to IKEA? And
What are my expectations?
yes, or not expectation, but what can you say about it?
Well, it's big, and overwhelming because
No. Again, repeat. First question was, before coming to IKEA, what was
Okay.
your expectation, or what were you thinking?
I was expecting it to be. I actually don't have any expectations because I already know that IKEA is one of the like shops or um, furniture places that holds a lot of furniture.
Yes.
So basically, I don't have any expectations when I um, first went to IKEA.
Okay, and then since the last time you were here, what can you say about the food?
The food is really good, and their meatballs is, I mean,
Awesome.
yeah, that's what they're known for. So,
IKEA meatballs must try.
okay, so it's starting, and there's, okay, you can see the background. Yeah, there's a lot of, what do you call that? Furniture arrangement in here for you to have ideas of what you want for your room.
Ano din mo?
Cool! Ano na gagawa nun? Ano pala tayo jacket?
Oh.
Grabe. Oh my God. Lily? Are you bored?
No, but I'm sleepy.
You always are.
Always is. Or?
You always are.
Always are. Kiss.
Adventure. Tingnan mo yung yun. For all mathematicians out there. Solve it. Okay. Okay, so there are basically two parts in this IKEA store. There's a second floor and a first floor. Now we're on the first floor. Go pa? Ground. And this floor mostly consists of the what do you ano tawag doon, Pap? Yeah, the small things that you have in your kitchen, bedroom, all of the decorations. And then on the second floor, there's that's where you will find the beds, chairs, and all of those. So they also have a plant section, which we're in now. You can see it from there. And they have a Christmas tree here. Now this is the place where you get your own. So basically, if you were going to buy a table, you're going to get the number. There's a number like below it or on the product itself, and then you search it here yourself, and then you'll DIY it at home. So those, and that's the storage. And there's a lot of boxes over there. Hello guys, so I forgot to film an outro, so I'm doing it now. And I'm also editing. That's why I found out that I didn't have an outro, so here it is. That's all for the video, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, be sure to click that like button and subscribe down below. And yeah, please do that. And also, if I look like, you know, that's because this is 3 days after I filmed the vlog, and yeah, bye.